Yachty all over the world, local and foreign. When it comes to shipping your things back home, there's only one name you can trust, and that is Islandwide Express. Whether you are in the US, Canada, the UK, Cayman, Bermuda, or you are in Jamaica, when it comes to packing a box from home or shopping online from anywhere in the world and having the items delivered to the doorstep in Jamaica, there's only one team you trust, and that is Islandwide Express. Our coverage area covers the entire island, from Negril to Morant Point. When next you shop on your favorite website like Amazon, Walmart, or eBay, send a care package back home to a loved one. It's cheap, fast, reliable, and convenient. Go to islandwideexpress.com right now and create your free shipping account. Ship your first package, up to £5 for free.